Hi, my name is Mohammed Alabbas.
I'm Jeffrey Bolday.
I'm Eric Fischhaber.
I'm Morgan Pfau.
And I'm Garret Ray, and today we're going to talk about our environmental monitoring aquatic drone.
A little bit of background. The Great Lakes are the largest freshwater ecosystem in the world, making up 20% of the world's freshwater bodies, which includes more than 3,500 native plants and animals. SVSU currently monitors the water quality of the Saginaw Bay beaches to determine the potential contamination of the ecosystem.
The goals and objectives of this project is to design a low-cost, easy-to-use, service-level aquatic drone to monitor the freshwaters of the state of Michigan. An 4G LTE hat is used for a large range of connection with the drone via graphical user interface that is very intuitive and saves the data automatically for future analysis.
A couple of features of the drone are onboard water quality testing devices that test for pH, conductivity, temperature, and dissolved oxygen levels in the water. Longer-range remote navigation is achieved through 4G LTE internet connection, and transmission error is compensated in this communication through redundant messaging and parity checks.
The significance and impact of the project is to provide a cost-effective water quality analysis of the Saginaw Bay and to contribute to the field of environmental conservation by analyzing data collection to expand to all the world's bodies of water.
The conclusion and future work of this project is to implement data connectivity frameworks and send the data to cloud services. And this drone is a proof of concept for further development of a swarm of aquatic drone network to monitor the Saginaw Bay habitat.
We'd like to acknowledge Dr. Rajani for being our project advisor, as well as SVSU UGRP for funding this project.
And we would like to thank you all for your time.